purpose of this video is to demonstrate Cycogs electric wheel assembly. In this drawing of the wheel assembly, notice the compactness and modularity of the unit. The wheel, motor, gear reduction, and bearings have an axial length of about 3.75 inches. One advantage of this compactness is that each wheel assembly can be attached to the outside of your robot or cart, giving you a floor-to-deck clearance of only 1 or 2 inches. Here's the front view of the wheel assembly. Here you are seeing our 2 prototype wheel assemblies connected to a simple test platform in differential mode. Each wheel assembly's load capacity is around 1,000 pounds. Gear reduction is 25 to 1. The 200-watt DC motor has a constant torque, independent of speed. The smooth tread you see here is designed for indoor use. More aggressive outside tread can be ordered for your application. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please check out our website for more information at cycogs.com.